If you own one of the electric bikes, an electric dirt bike, an electric quad, scooter, buggy or any other electric bike, sooner or later you may find out that your charger is not charging the batteries. I'm Bartek from Mini Bike Store, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to quick fix not working charger. Any of the electric bikes comes with a charger to charge the battery in your bike, and it can be a 48 volt charger like this one, it can be a 36 volt charger like this one, 24 or 60 volt or 72 volt. It depends what the voltage is of your batteries in your bike. The chargers themselves are very reliable, they're working perfect, there is not much problem with the chargers. But at some stage you may find out that you plug in a charger into the wall socket and the light in the charger will blink, just like this. Or you may find out that when you plug in a charger into the wall socket, the light just here will be green and it won't change to red when you plug in the other end to the bike. Most of the problems you will get with the charger, it will be inside this plug here. What is the reason that the charger breaks? The plug here is made with 3 holes, which when you connect into the quad, you need to turn the plug to fit properly into the socket on the quad. And what's happened, when you twist the plug, you twist the plug on the cable. So the cable is not moving, you need to twist it and you actually break the cables inside the plug. This charger is not changing light from green to red when you plug in a charger into the bike. So let's open the plug. You have 2 screws here. You need to unscrew these little screws. Next, hold this black plastic part here and unscrew this metal part here, just like this. So now you can see how it looks like inside. When you look closely, in this case, one of the cables is broken. It's not connected, so there is no power at this end. So that's why the light is not changing to red when you plug in a charger into the bike. So you just have to solder this cable into the position and the charger will work again. This is a very quick fix. In the second case, in this charger, the light is blinking. So once again, I'll show you when I connect this charger into the wall socket, the red light is blinking. This means that there is a shortcut in the charger. So again, we need to open this plug here, remove these 2 little screws, hold the plastic part here and unscrew the metal part. And let's see what is inside here. And here, I hope you can see it, we have a shortcut. So the cables are twisted. The positive is touching the negative. So we need to untwist these cables here. Just like this. Make them separate. Just like this. And let's try now. So we plug in a charger again to the wall socket and you can see the charger now is working, it's not blinking red light anymore. So now we need to put the tape on the cables, isolate them and put everything back together. So after fixing the cables inside the plug, your charger will work again. It will fix your charger, but it will not prevent from happening again. So I highly recommend that you use just the tape and put the tape on the plug and on the cable well all around, and that will prevent from breaking the cable inside the plug in the future. So now when you put tape on it, you can see when you twist the plug, it will also twist the cable, so it won't damage the cables inside the plug again. The chargers for an electric bikes can be very expensive. They can cost from 50 euro up to 100 euro. So it's a good idea to look into this plug first before you order the new charger. Just make sure you properly connect the cables. There are numbers on the holes here on the plug, and there is number 1, number 2 and number 3. So you need to make sure to connect the positive to number 1 and the negative to number 3. Number 2 has no connection. So thanks guys for watching this short video. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you in the next video.